Dear Aries, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a reading for you for the full moon of April 26, 2021. Let's begin shuffling. Oops. It seems like Aries, you guys had a good month because a lot of your readings said that there are going to be big changes like commitment and engagement and marriage and whatnot. So I hope it went well, and I hope the moon reading also helped you. Okay, one card, two cards came out. Wow, see, like I said, a lot of you must have had marriage and engagement and sort of love, and there we have Angel of Love. And there we have Angel of Balance. It's beautiful. So in case you guys have problems in love, then this Angel of Balance is asking you to balance your life out and sort out the things and to give out the love. And in case everything is hunky and dory, because it's April going on and April was really good for you guys as per my reading. A lot of you guys must have got engaged. A lot of you guys must have got a sort of commitment from your partner or got married. So I think you will not need anything more from the angels, but they're angels and they're still here to help you and guide you for whatever you need. So let's see what the Angel of Love is questioning you for. For the singles, Aries, who are still single because maybe you're not of that age, or maybe it's just not your time. Are you searching for more love in your life? So even if the existing partners, and in case you are having problems, the Angel of Love is asking you, are you searching for more love in your life? It says, look within yourself. Embrace the love that resides within you. Allow it to radiate all around you. Become a magnet for love, light, and well-being, and these gifts will come. Magnet of Love, I just did I think Aquarius reading where I explained what is becoming a magnet of love really is, because a lot of us don't know that, and we don't know how the universe functions. So I explained in detail. If you would like, you can go and check out the reading for Aquarius for April 26, 2021 full moon reading that I did. I explained becoming magnet of love. You have to give out love, right? You have to be that person who is nice and kind to others, and that's how you will get it. If you're fighting with everybody and you're expecting love in return, that will never come to you. So Aries, in case it is not your time right now, or you did not get engaged and you did not get married and you did not receive any kind of commitment from your partner, then maybe there is something wrong and you need to fix in your chart, right? The positive affirmation that the Angel of Love has for you is, I am love, and all that surrounds me and all that is attracted to me is love. I look within and love all aspects of myself exactly as I am. I attract love, joy, and happiness into my life, and I am comforted. Wow, beautiful. So maybe Aries, you're not giving yourself enough love, and that's why the Angel of Love is here to talk about it and to tell you that you will have to become a magnet. If in case Aries, you're feeling like you are not deserving enough, then I think you should change that thought, because for universe, everybody is important, right? Millions of stars in this galaxy, and you are still here existing, and you think you are less than a star. I'm sorry, Aries, but you guys are absolutely wrong. You're as important as a star. You're as important as the moon. You're as important as the trees and everybody else, any other human being. Everybody is unique. So not for a minute you should think that you're not worthy of love. The moment you change this perspective of yours, you're going to find love coming your way, okay? Let's see now what the Angel of Balance is telling you, because definitely Aries, you're out of balance if you haven't found your love right now, as of now, because you guys had a beautiful reading, and if there's a blockage, then there's a blockage in your mind that needs to be fixed, and I hope this reading helps you out. So the Angel of Balance is asking you, are you dealing with an inflamed or unbalanced situation? You definitely are. Figure that out for yourself. What is it that's really blocking you? Is it all the things that I just spoke about, or is it something else that I might not be aware, but definitely there is something blocking you? Do you have imbalances in your body? Is your body making you feel like you maybe not are not loved because you look a certain way or your weight is a certain way. That, let me just tell you that one of my cousins just got married to a guy who's, and she's heavier, on a heavier side than a guy, and she has been slim all her life, dude, like slim all her life, and she found a guy when she was heavy. Imagine. So nothing will stop you. Your appearance, your outer appearance, your hair, your color of your skin, your weight, your height, nothing is gonna stop you if your time has come. Nothing is gonna stop you if that person is in your life. If somebody tells you, oh, I break up with you because you are heavy or because you're dark or because you're whatever, oh my god, they were never meant for you. Because the right person will come to you when you are you, you know, irrespective of how you look. When maybe you are looking the worst as per you, but the right person will still love you for who you are. Remember that, right? So the angel of balance says that balance your emotions through journaling, exercise, and healthy communication, right? Take care of your body, mind, and spirit. Yoga and meditation are beneficial. So definitely, if this is nothing related to your physical being, you're just overthinking. Maybe you're just perfect as you are. Everybody is, and you're just overthinking. So try and relax and meditate. I just gave you a very good example. So I mean, you know, I don't think anybody should think like that, right? If it's your time, it's your time. If it's the only, I read this very nice saying the other day, and it says the only person who can block your blessings is you, nobody else. Whatever is meant for you will come to you. The only person who will block it with the negativity, with the overthinking, will be you. You will make scenarios in your mind saying that, oh, he doesn't love me, or she doesn't love me, or because I look like this, or because I have this job and he's doing better than me, and blah blah blah. But no, the only person who's blocking it, maybe that person doesn't even see you like that. Maybe your job is not even important to them. Maybe your looks are not even important to them, or maybe your, I don't know, the color of the skin is not important to them. Maybe you don't know what's going on in your mind. So stop overthinking, right? So stop creating these scenarios in your mind that you're not good enough, right? So the positive affirmation that you need to say, Aries, is my body is healthy and in balance. My cells naturally regenerate and rejuvenate themselves so that all of my systems function harmoniously. I am calm and relaxed. I exercise regularly. I enjoy my meditation practice on a regular basis. Beautiful, Aries. So you will have to say these affirmations and you will have to think positive. I gave you a very good example. I'm in a very good mood and I'm giving all these little examples to all my zodiacs. It's just coming because it's just something very recent that happened, and that's why I'm able to help you out, sharing real time experiences and real time examples. That is all that is happening around me, so that it gives you a little bit of guidance and it makes you feel that you're not alone in this. All right, so take care, Aries, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.